Hello and welcome to my workshop. In our previous video, we talked about the different levels in laptop repair training. You can watch that video right here or in the links in the description below. We said that your ability to repair laptops will depend on the level of training you've had. And in today's video, we will talk about the tools you need at the entry and intermediate level, as well as the cheap level repair. So let's begin. The first tool, you guessed it, is a screwdriver. I recommend a set with different bits. This will come in handy when you work on MacBooks because Apple is notorious for using different screws for just one MacBook. Next is the prying tool. This is useful for assembly and disassembly of laptops. Never use screwdrivers to pry open a laptop.
Don't do it. You'll regret it, man. Trust me.
Next is a multimeter. We use this for measuring voltages, resistance, capacitance, etc. Get yourself some tweezers. Tweezers are used for installing small ribbon cable connectors and for holding down wires or components while you solder. Speaking of solder, I recommend the leaded type. Leaded solder has a low melting point than unleaded solder, but lead can be harmful to your health, so be very careful. But solder can melt itself without a soldering iron. I recommend getting one that can go up to 400 degrees Celsius. Speaking of temperature, you will need some thermal pads and thermal paste. These are used for fixing laptops with overheating issues. You also need to get yourself some flash drives and other external storage devices for your various operating systems and other softwares. I know there are more tools that I haven't mentioned here, but as a beginner, this should be your starting point. In the next video, we will go through some of the tools you need to do cheap level laptop repair. Subscribe to my channel for more laptop repair content. See you next time. Bye bye.